pay them. Pay it right now. Go to the pool. Go see if they let you go in the pool. Oh, they do. Pussy, why we never saw this first? Go to that slide. Go turn around. Turn around. I see a slide. He put a bouncy on it. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Like turn a circle. You see that big old slide over there behind you?
Oh, yeah.
How would you get up there?
I think we already passed that part when we go down.
Yeah. That's nice, though.
I want to play.
Okay.
Who you want to win the championship? The Spurs or the Knicks? Who you want to win the basketball championship? The Spurs or the Knicks?
The Knicks.
I want the Spurs. Who you want to win, Kurt? The Knicks or the Spurs?
Spurs.
That's what I want to win too. I think Wembanyama. You know what Wembanyama is? You know what Wemby is?
What is the last one? Basketball?
Yeah. He's real tall.
Oh, it's a diving board. Oh, now jump down. Oh, ducky. How did you go?
There you go. Alex turn, Carter. You up.
How would I do?
Ooh-ah. Ooh-ah. Ooh-ah.
Well,
Alex, you doing good? Alex, put my phone up right there for a second.
wow.
Oh,
Never saw
look,
this before.
look, you got a gun.
Yeah.
I never saw this before.
That's from the PS1. From the PlayStation.
This one. Oh, yeah, you took the remote.
Pretty sweet, right?
Oh, you took it on home.
Let me do it.
Y'all remember when we used to play Mario when y'all was real little? I love that Mario on the Wii. That was my favorite one when we used to be able to like to shake in there, twist in the air. Remember that?
Yeah, I like that.
What's your grandma name?
Your mom.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Huh?
Hard to say, yeah. So for that, yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Going down.
I got far without dying. Got far without dying. Or without.
Because if you die, you have to give it up. That's why.
Oh, no. Nice.
Oh, if you die, you like. And I remember this one.
There you go, Alex.
Oh, that's my.
Get it, Alex. Get it. Go, Alex. Go. It's Carter turn. No. It's Carter turn. Go, Carter. Go. Alex turn. Lose. Alex, you suck that game. You used to be good at that game. I don't know you want to play the Alex today. You used to be real good at games, didn't you?
Well, really like that.
Whatever it's called. Oh.
Whoa! 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 He saw that pussy? He cold now. That's enough. Complete the mission now. You did it. You gotta go complete the mission now. It's still, Lord, you gotta, don't stop. Keep going. Okay, go.
Oh. I can do it.
Let him try. Go up to it, Alex. Go up to it real close and watch the screen.
Oh, that is correct.
Give me my phone. Okay.
Okay.
There you go, Alex. Pull.
I think you already did it for love. Oh, give me. Let me finish. Oh! Oh my god.
Jump, big jump, pussy. Ah, it's okay. Yep. Bust through those, baby. Yeah.
We already. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Oh my god. My. That's fucking. I don't. Oh, ow! I knew. Ow. Oh my god. I don't. Oh my.
wow. You don't gotta say wow. Everything that I do. No, you don't gotta say wow.
I also wow. That's
No.
what I mean. I say wow. That's right.
You say wow that I have to marry. Like what?
No, I didn't.
I
Wow, that's big.
We already
We
unlocked
got the
it.
PS2.
No, we already unlocked it.
I need the PS. Yeah, the PS2.
P3.
If we can beat another level. We already unlocked that.
What?
We don't need
Lava.
to. We don't need to go to the lab.
PlayStation Lava. No, you don't.
Now we're gonna get other money out there. That involves flying.
Curve pizza.
Couple plus not curve pizza.
Whoa.
That's the boss level.
That's a new level, right? Cool. Did we beat the game or is it something different?
It's something different. I haven't tried.
Whoa.
Oh.
The S.
I never saw that.
The SSDC way.
And you gotta fly.
Whoa, you fly like all the other people.
Let's do this.
Carter.
Oh, I do it. I do.
Oh no! Oh, you know it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is Chuck right there. I was saying.
Oh!
Go, Pussy, go.
Now for the next vehicle. Oh my god, you could have hit something.
No, oh my god. I hit the PlayStation.
Now for the next vehicle. How you going? Oh wow.
Oh my god, we start the stupid part again. Yay, time to go to the best part. Oh! When they finna come back,
Get rid of.
where they? Yeah. No, I'm gonna go right there.
That's a bad idea.
How would that be a bad idea? I'm not gonna hit nothing. I'm not gonna hit
Put
something.
it in the car.
Oh my!
Very clear. It's my turn.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Whoa.
Loud house. That looks nice. Loud house. Williams don't have no internet access. My